In this video, you learn how to humanize ChatGPT text completely for free. So let's get started. As you can see right here, I asked ChatGPT to write a short story about the origins of AI. It's completely AI generated, so let's just check this with an AI detector. Let's copy this text and run it through the AI detector. Then we can click on Detect AI. And as of right now, it says that 37% of the text is likely AI. So what we have to do right now is grab this copy text and go to GPTs on the left bar. There you can search for Humanize AI. Right now it's saying it's standing on the trending here, but if it's not, you can just look it up on the search bar. Then you can click on Humanize AI, click on Start Chat, paste the text we just generated, and just send it. And then it will say talking to connector. And you get the question, Humanize AI wants to talk to plugin.gptinf.com. You can click on confirm. It says talking to the plugin gptinf.com. And there it will generate a humanized version of the text we just created. So we can copy this text, then go back to the AI detector and delete the text we just put in. Then we can paste the new humanized version and click on Detect AI. And there you go. It says 0% of text is likely to be AI. So this is by far the most easy and convenient way to humanize your AI generated text, because you will stay within Humanize AI. And right now on the left bar, you have just started a conversation with Humanize AI. So all the text you can generate from here, you can just put it in this conversation and it will automatically humanize the text. So it's very fast and very easy to do. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.